Well, the number of children coming into the ER with whooping cough is on the rise in Palm Beach County, and infectious disease experts worry we'll see more cases if vaccination rates continue to decline.
According to the latest numbers from the CDC, Florida's kindergarten vaccination rate is below the national average and going down each year. Our Dinelda Ross is in the studio tonight with a look on the data.
The number of kindergartners getting vaccines in Florida has been on a steady decline since 2016. This is a graph from the CDC, and it shows the vaccination rates for things like polio, hepatitis, the measles. It was about 94% here, and it's gone down each year. Now we are at about 88.1% vaccinated. At a playground in West Palm Beach, it's not hard to find moms like Leslie.
So we chose to not vaccinate Theo, my son, and that's basically just because we've done some research.
She's part of a growing movement of parents who have opted out of vaccines for their children. She says she's most concerned about vaccine side effects.
Are you concerned about, the diseases that they protect against?
No. There's plenty of books that you can open up and read and see that they're actually not as prominent as they say anymore, and more parents are starting to do their own research.
Carter McDonald got her first son vaccinated, but by the time she had her second, changed her mind about the shots.
When you're seeing the anecdotal evidence from parents and you hear that, and it's scary to hear that you're taking a risk.
I think a lot of misguided attention is placed on some of these side effects based on some bad science.
Dr. Chad Sanborn is a pediatrician in Palm Beach County who specializes in infectious diseases. He says we are already seeing a rise in vaccine-preventable illnesses, especially in pertussis or whooping cough. Department of Health records show more than 400 whooping cough cases so far this year, an exponential increase from 55 cases in 2021.
Are you bracing for more cases of measles, whooping cough, even polio?
Yes, potentially yes.
Dr. Sanborn says the state is slipping further away from the recommended coverage to maintain herd immunity. If the trends continue, we can expect to see more disease, more hospitalizations, and preventable deaths. He says vaccine skepticism is one of his profession's greatest challenges, and a change in the way that doctors communicate with parents may be needed.
Trying to meet the parents where they are and explain where you're coming from, why you feel that these are important, why someone like myself feels very passionately about getting vaccines, vaccinated fully both of my daughters. Getting personal sometimes is a helpful approach.
At 88%, Florida is below the national average for vaccinations among kindergartners. The national average is between 92 and 93%.
I'm Jim Grimes. Click like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more stories like this that impact you.